Picture this, the rain is pouring outside, and the street lights, they won't give us enough light to see the direction we have to go. And don't let anyone know where we will run to. And I need those lips that ignite my bones and keep my heart afloat. I'll tear down the stars and I'll give them to you. They're not as pretty as your eyes, but I guess it will have to do. I'll tear down the stars, we can ride into the moon. I'll float till I find you. I wouldn't ever let you fall down. Picture this, our clothes are soaked but it's fine, 'cause the fire's still burning in our eyes. The heat, it might be more than we can stand. And don't let anyone know where we will run to. Yeah, I need those lips that ignite my bones and keep my heart afloat. I'll tear down the stars and I'll give them to you. They're not as pretty as your eyes, but I guess it will have to do. I'll tear down the stars, we can ride into the moon. I'll float till I find you. I would